everyone, I'm going to show you how to use the info tool in Civillo. So the info tool is this purple eye icon here on the map. Click that and this purple marker appears, which I can drag or just click anywhere. So I'm going to click on a feature in here, one of these installed conduits, and now we can see the information that's popped up in the info tab here. So we've got some coordinates here. We can center the screen on where we have the info tool selected. We can also see the RL here, so the interpolated elevation on this particular line, this feature. We can see the gradients. We can see the alignment that we have turned on. So I've only got one alignment uploaded to this project, this purple line here, which you can see running north-south, but you could also add multiple alignments and switch between them when using the info tool. For some more detail on how to work with change alignments and upload them to your projects, there'll be another video on that you can check out, so go find that one. That's just to sort of show here that you can also change that opacity of the alignments to make it show up in more detail for you there. You can flip those change labels here, which you can see just went from the right-hand side to the left-hand side. And there is the information there on change and offsets of where we currently have the info tool here. So we can see that this asset here is a chain of 17449, almost 3 meters off the alignment of the track in this particular example. As we scroll down, this is more information about the feature that we've clicked on. So you can see the length of the feature, the layer that it's come from, the sub-layer that it's come from, some information about the color, and then also all these attributes that have been picked up and surveyed when the feature was surveyed. So that has all come in from the original source file itself. So this is not sort of created by Civillo, or it's not edited in Civillo. It's directly taken from the source file. So whichever attributes you are associating with these features, whether in this particular example it's a CAD file with attributes, but GIS shapefiles also have a lot of attributes, usually 12D models. They generally contain lots of attributes as well as IFC models. So all those different types of attributes will be expressed in Civillo while using this info tool here. Lastly, just to scroll back up a little bit here, you can see that we can actually have the ability to toggle through these nearby features. So when you have things in close proximity to each other or overlapping, and you're trying to select the one that you're interested in, you can actually use this little toggler or to sort of slide across the different features that are all in close proximity to each other. That's it. The info tool, pretty simple. One of the most used tools in Civillo, allows you to see all that information that's come through from the file. That's it for the info tool.